Hi everyone, today we are going to look into object level security by which we can restrict user from using or seeing our measures. There may be a scenario where sometimes we want to restrict the visibility of measures that we have created. So how can we do that with the help of object level security? Our end result would look like this. Like when we go to the modeling tab and when I view as admin role, and in this admin role I will able to see that order quantity and count of employees. You can see that the sales tab is not present over here. So when I view as manager, I will be able to see that I can only view the sales tab. So how can we do that? Because measure is something that does not have object level security option. We can do this with the help of tabular editor. That is something external tool that contains all of the files that we have in our data set, all of the data that we have. Measures, we can also edit measures with the help of tabular editor by not opening the report at all or not editing the report. So we can do these kind of things and we will be able to apply object level security in the tabular editor itself. So let's move on to our modeling tab and we'll assign a role that is admin and second is manager role. Let's click on the manager role option. Then I will click on the new. Here I will provide the name as admin. The second role that I want is managerial role. I will write it as manager. Let me edit it. Manager. So we have created two roles, that is manager and admin as well. So these will define our object level security, and these role will able to see the different kind of measures that we want to see. So to see the measures, obviously we have to create a measure so that we can restrict our view. Let me quickly create measures. First will be my sales measure. I will click onto the measure box over here and create a sales measure by naming it as total sales. In total sales, I will simply calculate the sum of my sales that I have in the sales data. I will pass on to the sales column. So our first measure is created. Next, I want to create the quantity ordered by in this sales data. So I will create a new measure again and create total quantity, or I can say that total orders. This will be the sum of it will be same as total sales, but it will be the sum of total quantity orders. So I have these two measures with me, and these two measure will is created. So let's just quickly add it into a tab or a table. We can see that the categorical data on the basis of employee. Now let's move on to our tabular editor. You can see that I have this table that is present over here, that is sales data, which contains my columns, that is sales, order and employees, and total sales and total orders are the measures that I have created. You can go to these tables as well and explore this. And I have these two measures. It does not have object level security option over here. So let me just go on to my sales data, and this will have the security option in which I will be able to see object level security. And in these object level security, I will be able to see my two roles that I have created in the starting of the video, that is admin and manager. So it is set as default for now. We will change it. You can see that this option is only available in our sales data. That is our table. So we don't have table for our total orders or total sales measure. So let us create one table, that or a blank table that will define that if someone is admin, then use this table. So let me go to the table tools and create a new table. In this table, I'm going to name it as admin. This will define the role of an admin. And add a filter which will create a blank table. I don't even want a single row that is present in this table. I have to pass it in parameter so that it will take blank value. I have to filter blank and set it as false so that there will be no row present in my table. You can see that I have just a blank table with the column value. Now I will edit my measure, making it to only perform when there is admin logins. So let me just go on to my tabular editor again. Let me go to the admin table and go on to the object level security. I have these two roles and set the admin rule as none. And the measure that I want to edit is when the admin logins, then I'll be able to see the total orders. So let me pass a condition in which I will create a variable, and this variable will make if this condition is true, then will return a sum of sales. So let me create a variable where variable admin equals to admin. Our admin is a table that we have created just now. If it is admin, then we'll have to return the sum of sales. Let me just save it, and we'll able to see our measure has been changed. In this admin tab, I will be able to see the total orders because we have set none for admin. For this is the main problem of creating none for our admin table, because by editing these things I will not be able to see sales tab. That part we have done already. But what if I am an admin and I want to see the quantity of quantity of or the total orders, but I don't want to see total sales. So for that, we'll have to create a field parameter. And what field parameter does is it will take all of our measures that we have and and summarize those measures as parameters. So I will create one field parameter, and I will pass my both of the measures, total orders and total sales, in it. So there will be no different columns that we are going to enter in this table. We can directly pass those parameter in this table so that we don't get any kind of error, because when we view as admin, if we have selected different columns or different measures in our table, the sales total sales has been omitted, or we cannot see total sales. That will result into error because total sales is not present in our data for admin. So for this, we'll create a field parameter and add total orders and total sale. Let me click on to the create. So you can see that our parameters has been created, that is total orders and total sales. I will remove total orders and total sales from my table because I want to see a unified view of our parameters that we have added according to the employee. So you can see the total orders and total sales has been created by the parameter, and now we will view as admin role. We should be able to see the desired data, that is total orders, because we have set none for total sales. So when you create same thing for manager level, you can restrict the view of this as well. You can see that total sales is not present over here. You cannot navigate total sale in the data set as well. So this is it for today's video, and with the help of this you can create object level security